How to add GIF and polls on Twitter or X. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to post various GIF or polls, what you're gonna do is, first of all, launch the X application on your device. After you do that, in the bottom right corner of your screen, you can see the blue plus icon. Tap on it. Then from here, you can add various tweets. Now, in order to add a GIF, in the bottom of the page, you can see the option GIF over here. You can simply tap on it and you can see various of them. Simply select the one that you want to add, and there you go. After you do that, you can also tag people from over here and then add your location. And after you do that, simply tap on post. And in order to add polls, you can simply tap on this option which is over here just beside the GIF. After you do that, simply add choice number 1 and then choice number 2, and you can also add the photos for them. After you do that, you can simply tap on post and then you will successfully be able to post your polls or your GIF. Thank you.